Many teams ask, if we already have Power BI in Microsoft 365, why do we need Microsoft Fabric? The answer depends on whether you only need business intelligence or whether you need a complete data platform. Let's look at the architecture of each, walk an end-to-end demo flow, and finish with a simple decision framework. Power BI in Microsoft 365 is optimized for business intelligence. Analysts connect to sources like SQL, Excel, and SharePoint, shape the data with Power Query, and build a semantic model. On top of that, they create reports and dashboards and share them across Teams, Excel, and SharePoint. It is the reporting and semantic layer of your stack. Here is what that looks like in practice. A governed semantic model drives an interactive report. API cards, a revenue chart, a trend line, and slicers that let business users explore on their own. Clean, fast, self-service insight. But notice, this is consuming data that has already been prepared somewhere upstream. When requirements grow beyond reporting, teams need separate tools for ingestion, transformation, storage, warehouse, lakehouse, streaming, and machine learning. Data factory here, Synapse there, Databricks, a data lake, a SQL warehouse. The result is architectural complexity, tool sprawl, duplicated data, and multiple points of governance. Power BI alone does not provide the full data platform lifecycle. Microsoft Fabric changes the architecture. Instead of stitching services together, Fabric is a unified software as a service analytics platform. OneLake becomes the shared data foundation. On top of it, workloads like data factory, data engineering, data warehouse, data science, real-time analytics, and data activator all work together. And Power BI sits right on top, reading the same governed data. One platform, one copy of your data, one governance model. Here is the end-to-end flow inside Fabric. First, ingest data using pipelines or data flows. Next, store it centrally in OneLake. Then transform it with notebooks or SQL into clean, curated tables. After that, expose trusted data through a lakehouse or warehouse and build a Power BI semantic model on top. Finally, deliver reports to business users, all under one security and lineage model. Let's put them side by side. Power BI is the visualization and semantic layer, with per-user licensing and Microsoft 365 collaboration. Fabric is the full data and analytics platform, with capacity-based licensing that adds ingestion, OneLake storage, data engineering, a warehouse, real-time analytics, and data science. And crucially, Fabric includes Power BI. It does not replace it. So which pattern do you choose? Use the Power BI only pattern when your data is already prepared, governed, and available from trusted systems like SQL databases, Excel files, or SaaS applications. It is ideal for teams focused on dashboards, KPIs, and self-service reporting, where data engineering needs are minimal. Use the Fabric end-to-end pattern when you need the full lifecycle. Ingestion, transformation, lakehouse and warehouse storage, real-time analytics, machine learning, and reporting, all on one governed foundation. It is especially powerful when multiple teams, engineers, data scientists, and analysts need to collaborate on the same copy of the data. Here is the simple framework. Do you only need dashboards and reports? Then Power BI. Do you also need ingestion, transformation, a lakehouse or warehouse, or real-time analytics? Then Fabric. Do multiple personas need to collaborate across the data lifecycle? Then Fabric. The decision is not Power BI versus Fabric. It is how much of the data lifecycle you need. So, to summarize, Power BI helps users understand data. Microsoft Fabric helps organizations build the complete analytics foundation behind that data. Power BI is not replaced by Fabric. It is included and extended by it. Use Power BI for focused business intelligence. Use Fabric for the full data platform. Together, they are a modern, governed, scalable analytics stack. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.